Population, environment, and natural resources. This video tells the relationship between population, natural resources, and the environment. Contents. The first part is the basic definition. The second part is environmental problems. The third part is natural resources. The fourth part is demographic and environment. Last part is our reference. Conceptualization of the links between population growth and natural resources management. Feedback from the policy response may affect in-migration and out-migration, as well as the magnitude of the social and environmental consequences through actions that deepen and enhance effects. Carrying capacity is the number of people the Earth can support without irreversibly reducing its capacity to support the population in the future. Environmental problems having physical, social, and economic consequences may be grouped into three categories. Number one is the resources deterioration. Number two is the environmental population. Number three is radioactivity from nuclear weapons and nuclear energy production. The concept of environmental impact includes two levels: the impact of human activities on the environment and the reaction of the environment to the human beings. It emphasizes not only the role of human activities on the environment, for instance, understanding and evaluating the changes that human activities have made or will make in the environment, but also the reaction of such changes to human beings, for example, recognizing and evaluating the effects of these changes on the environment. So, what effects does human society produce? Natural resources include land resources. Only about 11% of the Earth's total land surface is arable or can be regularly plowed for seeding and growing crops. In Southwest Asia, only 18% of the land area is suitable for rain-fed agriculture. In Southeast Asia, there are 36% of the land is arable. In the Philippines, 32% of the land is classified as agriculture. Forest resources. A series clause of forest denudation is substances, cultivation, and excessive fuel harvesting as distinguished from commercial logging. Marine resources. The Philippine maritime waters encompass as much as 2.2 million square kilometers, which are important as part of the Coral Triangle, referring to the water of Indonesia, Malaysia, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, the Philippines, and Timor-Leste. This marine sanctuary boasts of 2,400 fish species, and over 500 coral species. Based on the data from the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations Fishery Information Data and Statistics Unit, 1998, the Philippines had an average annual capture fish production, excludes agriculture, of 1,742,299 metric tons and of marine fish at 1,044,911 metric tons of agriculture production, including freshwater fish. The population and natural resources. A country's population depends on its natural resources for food, clothing, shelter, and livelihood. Rapid population growth increases the demands for the application of exploitation of these resources. The relationship between demographic and environment and natural resources variables are complex. This picture shows the interrelation between them. The three components have interact with each other. Here's our reference. And thank you for listening.